Hello, this is Sean Stubinski with InterMet Systems. This video continues the installation of the iMet-3150. We have already completed the installation of iMetOS. Now we must continue with the driver installation. To do so, we need Windows booted up and ready to go. I'll leave the audio cable unplugged from the decoder, and we'll plug the decoder into the computer's USB port using the USB cable. Windows will recognize that a new device has been installed, and depending on your Windows version, it may ask you if you want to connect to Windows Update. We're not going to because the drivers that have been certified to work are on the installation CD. Then I'm going to choose to install from a specific location and hit Next, and I'm going to insert my CD into the computer's CD, DVD, or Blu-ray drive. Once the computer has recognized the disk, we can browse to the driver location on the CD. I'll go to the D drive, which happens to be my CD, drivers, and to the decoder directory. I don't need to pick the subdirectory because the computer will automatically choose where to grab the files from. So I'll hit OK. The decoder driver installation happens in two phases. The first is the USB UART installation, which is just completed here. So I'll go ahead and hit Finish. And the second portion is the actual USB serial port. Again, I'll hit No to finding the drivers on Windows Update, and then choose to install from a specific location, hit Next, and again verify that the drivers for the decoder are listed, and hit Next again. Once installation is complete, I'll hit Finish. At this point in time, Windows may erroneously recognize the decoder as a USB serial mouse. That will be evident by a whole bunch of clicking all over the screen, similar to this. With mouse movement, just random clicking. You're not moving your mouse at all. If this happens, unplug the decoder from the USB cable and plug it back in. Microsoft, in its infinite wisdom, has decided that even in the days of Windows XP, Windows 7, and Windows Vista, that people still might use a serial mouse. It is strongly recommended that you go through the disabling serial mouse detection procedure prior to using the iMet-3150.